Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a little flair. Today, we're exploring something that promises a fresh, healthy glow for your cheeks. The Clinique Chubby Cream Blush Stick in the shade AB Amped Up Apple. It's a stick format blush designed for a natural, buildable finish that blends directly onto the skin for an easy pop of color. The blush comes in a convenient twist-up stick outcome, making it simple to apply whether you're at home or on the go. Clinique has formulated this cream blush with a soft, blendable texture that's meant to glide smoothly without feeling heavy or cakey. The buildable coverage allows you to layer the color, so you can go from a subtle flush to a more vibrant statement depending on your mood or occasion. The AB Amped Up Apple shade offers a lively apple red tone that suits a variety of skin tones, giving a radiant, healthy look. When I tested it, the application was incredibly intuitive. Swiping it onto the apples of the cheeks, I found it blended seamlessly with my fingers and even with a dense brush, giving a natural skin-like finish. The texture is creamy but not greasy, which is a fine balance that many cream blushes struggle to achieve. I noticed it wore well throughout the day without sliding or settling into fine lines, and it layered nicely over both primer and foundation without looking patchy. One thing I loved is the portability. It's compact and mess-free, perfect for quick touch-ups. However, if you're someone who prefers powder blushes for longer-lasting wear, keep in mind that cream formulas may require a slight refresh during a long day, especially in warmer climates. In terms of pros, the Clinique Chubby Stick is highly blendable, convenient, portable, and offers a natural buildable finish. The cream texture adds a radiant, dewy touch that really mimics a natural flush. On the flip side, it may not last as long as some powder formulas on oily skin, and because it's a stick, you'll need to ensure the tip stays clean to avoid product buildup. When it comes to value, this blush sits in the mid to high price range for a single stick. Considering Clinique's reputation for gentle, dermatologically tested formulations and the fact that it's a creamy, buildable blush, the price is justified if you're looking for quality and ease of use in one compact product. If you're on a budget, similar cream blushes exist from other brands at a lower cost, but they may differ in blendability and skin friendliness. Compared to other cream blushes I've tried, the Clinique Chubby Stick stands out for its smooth application, intuitive packaging, and natural finish. It's particularly impressive for those who want a quick, fuss-free way to add color without needing multiple brushes or tools. The product feels sturdy, the packaging is durable, and the twist-up mechanism works reliably, so it's built to last without unnecessary waste. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover these insights too. Your support helps keep honest reviews coming. Overall, the Clinique Chubby Cream Blush Stick in AB Amped Up Apple delivers on its promise of a healthy, radiant cheek color with ease of use and a universally flattering shade. It's ideal for anyone looking for a versatile, skin-friendly cream blush that's travel-ready and fuss-free. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.